What if I told you your car is hiding a vault of secrets? Features that could save you time, save you money, and even save your life. Most drivers think they know their vehicle inside and out. They know where the wipers are, they know how to fill the gas. But I promise you, you are only using about 5% of your car's true potential. Automakers bury incredible, genius functions deep in the manual, or hide them in plain sight. They're the little Easter eggs designed by engineers who want to make your life easier. In this video, we're exposing the 10 secret car features no one knows about. Seriously, these are features that 9 out of 10 drivers have never used. But that ends today. Because once you know these, you can use them now to drive smarter, safer, and better. Stick around for feature number 7. It's a key fob trick that will blow your mind and works on almost every modern car. Number 1. Hidden fuel door indicator. Ever rented a car and couldn't remember which side the gas tank is on? Look at your fuel gauge, see that little arrow next to the gas pump icon? That arrow points to the side your fuel cap is on. Simple, smart, and built into almost every car, yet most people never notice it. Number 2. Emergency key hidden inside the fob. Even if your key fob battery dies, you're not locked out. There's a hidden mechanical key inside the fob. Look for a small button or latch, pop it open, and you'll find a traditional key you can use to unlock your car manually. Perfect for emergencies. Number 3. Auto window roll down via key fob. Some cars let you roll down all windows remotely by holding the unlock button on your key fob. It's an amazing feature on hot days. It helps release the trapped heat before you get inside. Try it. You might already have it without even knowing. Number 4. Secret AC trick for faster cooling. Want your AC to cool faster? Set it to recirculation mode instead of fresh air. This makes the system reuse already cooled air from inside the cabin, dropping the temperature much faster. It's a small trick, but it makes a big difference in summer. Number 5. Built-in sunglass or ticket holder. Ever wonder what that weird clip on your sun visor is for? It's a ticket or sunglass holder. Perfect for parking tickets, toll receipts, or even your gas station card. No more clutter on the dashboard. Number 6. Rear view mirror night mode. That little tab or button under your rear view mirror is just decoration. It's night mode. Flip it when headlights behind you get too bright. It tilts the mirror slightly to dim the glare, keeping your vision clear and your eyes safe. Number 7. Automatic hazard activation after sudden braking. Modern cars are smart. If you slam the brakes hard, your hazard lights might turn on automatically. This warns drivers behind you that you're stopping fast. It's a built-in safety system, not a malfunction, and it could prevent a rear-end crash. Number 8. Hidden power outlet or USB port. Many cars have hidden power sockets or USB ports, often inside the center console, glove box, or even behind the rear seats. Perfect for charging devices or powering dash cams without visible wires. Check your car's manual. You might discover a hidden port you've never used. Number 9. Rear wiper auto reverse mode. If you have a hatchback or SUV, try this. When your front wipers are on and you shift into reverse, the rear wiper automatically activates to clear the back glass. It's a subtle feature, but super handy during rain or snow. Number 10. Hidden trunk release and emergency escape handle. Inside your trunk, there's a small glow-in-the-dark handle. That's an emergency escape feature. It's required by law in most countries, and it's designed so anyone trapped inside can open the trunk from within. It's one of those features you hope to never need, but it's good to know it's there. So there you have it, 10 secret car features most drivers will never discover. From the key fob window trick that instantly cools your car, to the life-saving headrest, and the fuel door arrow that eliminates guesswork. Your car is an incredible piece of machinery, but it's up to you to learn its secrets. Which of these features are you going to use now? Let me know in the comments below. Did I miss any amazing secrets? Share them with the community. If this video saved you a moment of frustration, taught you a trick, or maybe even saved you from a sticky situation, please hit that like button and subscribe for more car secrets, hacks, and guides. Drive smart, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.